Squeeze a small amount of liquid powder shine eliminator onto your hand. On a clean, washed face, apply using your fingertips. Target your T-zone, which is your forehead, nose, and chin, and any other area that shows shine. Allow the lightweight white cream to absorb and reveal a smooth and matte finish. Using your fingers or straight from the tube, apply our vegan concealer to hide blemishes, even out skin tone, and add brightness to dull skin. Particularly target the eye area to hide darkness underneath, as well as the eye socket by your nose to make you look better rested. The key is to blend without pressing hard or missing any areas where you apply the concealer. Set the concealer by applying the HDPV powder. Use the Kabuki brush to tap the pressed powder, shaking off any excess. Lightly apply, sweeping across your cheeks, forehead, chin, and bridge and sides of nose. Keep it light and uniform across your entire face to ensure even coverage. It's best to start lightly. You can always add more. Make sure you apply near the hairline. Should powder show on any facial hair, simply blot with a tissue. Finish with a thin layer of MÖNAJI's lip balm agent to moisturize and protect lips with no shine.